Hello everyone and welcome to another Techtorial video. This week's video will be on a software that enables referencing citations to be exponentially easier, the citation generator known as Scribbr. Being able to reference sources properly from websites to books to videos is absolutely important. But whether you're a student, an office worker, or a journalist, Scribbr can most definitely help you. Opening the Scribbr website will lead you to a page just like this one where you have the option to log in or create an account. Logging in can be done through a Google account using this button here or through Facebook here. Logging in can also be done using your email using this option here. If you have not made an account using Scribbr before, then click this button to create an account, write the email you wish to register with, your name, password, and then click sign up. Before we continue with the rest of the video, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and check out the other videos on our channel. You should be met with a page just like this one to begin citations. Hover over the citation tools on the top of the page and click APA Citation Generator. After doing that, this page here is the one that allows you to actually make the citations. The buttons here will allow you to pick the type of source you want to cite. Among others include website, journal article, book, report, and image, along with the other options via this button here. Citing websites would be the most simple and common type of source to be cited, so we're going to be starting off with that one. Copy and paste the URL of the website you want to cite into this search bar here and pick the correct website among the options below. However, it is likely that the website system has made an error, so we have to make sure and correct it. The title of the website is the title of the article in the website, and the URL is the web address of the website, which is its link. This is followed by inserting the author's information. In the case there's more than one author, you can click Add Contributor and click the trash sign here to delete that new author. Make sure to write the authors in the order they are credited in the website to indicate which one is the main contributor. If the author is not mentioned, write the organization that is related to the website. Alternatively, if credit is not due, then click Unknown Author. Publication date is the date that the website was published, and the date access is the date you access the website. The name of the website is the domain that the article was published in. Once you complete the citation, click this button here to convert it into a properly formatted reference in the list. Once you do that, you can go ahead and make more citations. Other than that, you can also change the citation settings by clicking the APA 7th edition button here. This will allow you to pick what citation format you want to make, the language, font type, and font size. If you hover over the citation and click it, the citation will be instantly copied into your clipboard to be pasted. Next up is citing a journal article, which is similar to a published research paper. Citing one using Scribbr can be done by clicking Journal Article here and searching its DOI number or the title itself. Again, the information will be filled in automatically, but do make sure to review it. Article title is the same as it was in citing a website, contributors would be the equivalent to authors, and the publication date only requires the year of the publication. The title of the journal refers to the name of the journal group that the article was published in. The page number here refers to the pages from which the information cited is extracted from. Number refers to the volume and issue of the journal article, which will usually be mentioned in the first page of the article. At the end, insert the DOI number or URL of the website you got the journal from. If you're certain about the DOI number, inserting that will be favorable, and insert the URL only in the case that the DOI is not mentioned. Citing books here is very similar to citing journal articles and is fairly self-explanatory for the most part. Here you can pick whether you are citing a book or a collection, a chapter in a book, a multi-volume work, or an entry in a dictionary. In a book or collection, you'll have to state if it is a print, digital, or ebook. In the case of a chapter, you will need to specify from which page the information extracted is from below. Whereas for a multi-volume work, neither is necessary. In the case of citing a report, it won't be possible just to insert a URL link or a DOI number to autofill the requirements. Rather, every piece of information has to be filled out manually. However, everything in citing a report should be familiar by now except perhaps for the report number. A report or publication number would usually be present in the preview or first page of a report and would be similar to something like this. Next is citing an image, which is straightforward with the fields of information to fill having already been discussed. And that is all for citing sources in APA format. Another popular referencing format would be MLA. However, the citation process for MLA via Scribbr is really no different from APA. It is only the citation output that is different. However, the process remains the same. Now that we have discussed the main types of sources to be cited, there are a few nice features in the Scribbr homepage that make it particularly user-friendly. First, clicking this box here allows you to select all citations at once, making copy and pasting much more convenient. This button here allows you to sort all citations in certain orders based on their publication date, recently added, alphabetically based on their title or author, or by random. This button here can filter out sources by their source type. This button here can group them by their source type or publication year. Clicking this button here allows you to search for a specific citation. This button here with an icon of 3 dots allows you to export the entire bibliography to a Word document, to BibTeX, copy the entire thing, delete it, or save it to archives by downloading a backup. Next is in-text citations, which is a way to insert the reference to the correct citation in the bibliography within the main body of the text. This is quite important since this is the only way the reader can see from which source you obtained this specific piece of information from, making your text more reliable and perhaps easier for the reader to understand. Scribbr allows a very simple way of doing that by hovering your cursor over the citation that you want to insert into the text. Click In-Text Citation and click either of the highlighted parts. The first highlighted section will be inserted only at the end of the sentence, whereas the second one has one part within the sentence and the year of the source at the end of the sentence. And there you have it, the software that makes citing sources much easier and ensuring you always credit your sources duly. Don't forget to check out the other videos on our channel. See you next time!